Hello and a very warm welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Here are the news headlines. BTC ETH marginally higher, Fed fear looms. India aims to develop crypto SOPs during G20 presidency, says Finance Minister. $114 million Mango Markets exploiter outs himself, returns most of the money. $50 billion asset custody platform GK8 enters Brazil with license agreement. CEO Armstrong plans to sell part of his Coinbase stake to fund science research. NFT marketplace Magic Eden moves to optional royalty model. Meta falls short of user goal for Horizon Worlds. France's third largest bank has been given permission to operate digital asset services. TempleDAO hacker moves funds via sanctioned crypto mixer Tornado Cash. Crypto lender Celsius incurs more than $3 million in legal fees. And now the news in detail. Cryptocurrency markets were trading flat to positively in Monday morning trade on value buying in BTC and ETH. However, Fed fear kept BTC below $20,000. On Sunday, Bitcoin rose by 1.3%, reversing a 0.60 decline from Saturday. BTC ended the week down by 0.91% to $19,267. Notably, BTC fell short of $20,000 for the ninth consecutive session while avoiding a return to sub-$19,000. There were no events to change investor sentiment following Friday and Saturday's bearish sessions. However, the impact of the macroeconomic factors on crypto and Bitcoin is increasing as US inflation gets stronger. Both the crypto and the traditional market are facing a raging storm. Bitcoin was trading up by 0.4% at $19,200, while Ethereum was at $1,300, up 1.3%. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was at 27,540, up 0.2%. The Finance Minister of India, Nirmala Sitharaman, revealed India's plans to develop standard operating procedures for cryptocurrencies during its G20 presidency from December 1, 2022 to November 30, 2023. Sitharaman has previously called for global collaboration to determine the future of cryptocurrency and has been doubtful of mainstream crypto adoption, citing risks to financial stability. However, on October 15, she spoke to local Indian reporters. She went on to say that members of the G20 have expressed similar concerns while emphasizing the importance of all countries working together to effectively regulate crypto assets. Abraham Eisenberg, who claims to be part of a group that stole $114 million from decentralized cryptocurrency exchange Mango Markets last week, returned $67 million to the Solana-based DeFi hub on Saturday, defending his actions, which some have called an exploit, as both legal and highly profitable. Today's tweets from Eisenberg, who was accused of being the Mango exploiter this week after allegedly carrying out similar attacks in the past, mark the first time he has publicly acknowledged his role in the exploit. "I believe all of our actions were legal," he stated on Twitter. GK8 has partnered with 2ND Market, a Brazilian cryptocurrency holding company, to expand cryptocurrency product offerings in Brazil. GK8 will license its institutional-grade custody platform to 2ND Market as part of the partnership agreement, giving Brazilian users access to a broader range of crypto products and services. 2ND Market will use GK8's integration with MetaMask Institutional, a multi-custodial wallet, to give users access to decentralized finance and Web3 crypto assets. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong has revealed plans to sell a portion of his stake in the US exchange giant in order to fund scientific and technological research. Armstrong announced this in a Twitter thread on October 14th when he stated that he will sell about 2% of his Coinbase stake. Armstrong owns 16% of the company as CEO. According to a 2022 proxy statement by Coinbase, Armstrong's stake amounts to almost 60% control of the firm's voting shares. Furthermore, the crypto market has lost more than $1.26 billion from its market capitalization over the course of the year. Magic Eden, a Solana non-fungible token mainstay, is switching to an optional royalty model according to a Friday night Twitter thread. The company also says it will waive its 2% platform fee effective later October 14th. The move follows in the footsteps of other popular NFT marketplaces such as X2Y2, which have made royalty payments optional in order to attract more users, much to the chagrin of most creators. The company also stated that it will contribute $1 million to a fund to develop better royalty enforcement tools and that it plans to experiment with new models outside of royalties in the future. Horizon Worlds, Meta's flagship virtual reality social media platform, initially aimed to reach 500,000 monthly active users by the end of the year. However, that figure has been revised to 280,000 as the company faces challenges in expanding its user base. According to internal memos and documents obtained by the Wall Street Journal, the current number of active users is less than 200,000. User activity has steadily declined since the spring, with many abandoning the platform after only a month of play. The players who stay only visit 9% of the available worlds, which may have up to 50 visitors, while most digital destinations are completely ignored. Horizon also lacks competing platforms that provide virtual social experiences in terms of concurrent users. Société Générale, France's third largest bank by market capitalization, quietly obtained regulatory approval to operate as a digital asset service provider in the country last month. The banking giant can now custody, sell, and trade digital assets through its fully integrated blockchain-focused subsidiary, Société Générale Forge, which launched last month. This is due to a digital asset service provider ruling issued by the Autorité des marchés financiers, the French financial market regulator. This follows the bank's previous moves into the digital asset space. The hacker of TempleDAO, a protocol that claims it provides sustainable income via staking, has moved stolen funds via crypto mixer Tornado Cash, according to data from Etherscan. Earlier this month, one of the staking vaults of TempleDAO was exploited, resulting in 1,830 ETH, or about $2.3 million, being stolen by a hacker. First cited by blockchain data firm PeckShield, a roughly equivalent amount of ETH has been transferred from an address identified as that of the TempleDAO hacker to a Tornado Cash router. This began with a deposit of 0.1 ETH that occurred within hours today. Tornado Cash is a crypto mixing service that allows users to obscure the details of transactions. In August, the mixer and the 44 Ethereum and USDC wallets associated with it were sanctioned by the US Treasury, citing its association with high-profile hacks such as the Ronin and Harmony breaches. Embattled crypto lender Celsius has incurred more than $3 million in legal fees as it moves through Chapter 11 bankruptcy proceedings. Between July 13 and July 31, law firm Kirkland & Ellis charged the crypto lender almost $2.6 million in fees as it represented Celsius in Chapter 11 proceedings, according to a document filed on Friday. Another legal representative, Akin Gump, charged almost $750,000 for its services between July 13 and August 31, according to a similar filing. So far, Celsius has incurred legal fees totaling more than $3 million. That's all in the bulletin today. This is me, Vishakha, signing off. And for more such updates, do like, subscribe, and share to 3.0 TV.